In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons water, salt. Then add 2 cups maida, 4 tablespoons wheat flour and mix. Add a little more water and knead to a dough. Apply oil on dough. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Take 5 medium-cooked potatoes. Add 3 tablespoons oil, 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili chopped, cilantro to a pan on heat, 1 medium chopped onion, 1½ teaspoon deghi laal mirch powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons any store-bought Frankie masala powder, 2 teaspoons garam masala. Add boiled potatoes, cilantro, salt and squeeze some lemon. Mash and mix well. Cover and cook for a minute on low heat. Let it cool down, then make long cylindrical patties. After 7 minutes, knead and roll a small bowl of dough. Add 1 teaspoon butter. Put roti on the tawa. Cook well on both sides. Apply butter and shallow fry the patties. Put the patty on the roti. Sprinkle some Frankie masala and chaat masala. Add chopped onion, cilantro, grated cheese. Fold and roll the roti. You can use food paper so that it helps hold its shape. Potato Frankie is ready to serve. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care.